Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0006O and color code 009. The color of the frame is Havana, and these glasses are a rectangular shape. Its temples are also Havana, and you'll find the Gucci logo in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold engraved. On its inner right temple is again the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. These glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.